Hey there, folks. If you're a Bank of America customer looking to make sending money as easy as sending a text, then setting up Zelle is a game changer. Zelle lets you transfer funds quickly and securely to friends and family who have it too. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get started in no time. First things first, make sure you have a Bank of America account and the mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, head to your app store and download it for free. It's essential for this setup. Once you have the app ready, open it up and log in with your username and password. If you're new to the app, take a moment to enable any necessary security features like fingerprint or Face ID for smoother access. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Transfers or Zelle section. It's usually easy to find, often with an icon that looks like a money transfer symbol. Tap on Zelle to get started. The app will guide you through enrollment. You'll need to verify your email address or phone number, so make sure the one linked to your account is current. Bank of America might send you a confirmation code via text or email. Enter that to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to add contacts from your phone book or manually enter someone's details. This is where the fun begins, as you can start sending money right away. A quick tip: always double-check the recipient's information to avoid any mix-ups, and remember to keep your app updated for the latest security features. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check your account settings or contact Bank of America's support. They're super helpful. And just like that, you're all set up with Zelle. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes, and it'll make your money transfers hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.